In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your FlutterFlow plan. To get started, log into your FlutterFlow dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or account name. This is one of the main places where account and billing options are usually located, so if you're looking to change your subscription, this is a good place to begin. You may also see an upgrade button visible directly on the screen. If that option is available, you can click it instead. Both paths are meant to take you to the plan selection area, so use whichever one is easiest to access from your dashboard. This makes the process a little faster, especially if FlutterFlow is already highlighting upgrade options for your current account. Once you're on the plan page, you'll be able to choose between the available options: basic, growth, or business. Take a moment here to review the plan that best fits your needs. If you're an individual user, one plan may be enough, while larger projects or teams may benefit from the higher tier options. You'll also have the option to switch between monthly and annual billing. Annual billing generally offers a discount of around 25%, so if you already know you'll be using FlutterFlow long term, that can be a useful way to save. If you're upgrading to a growth or business plan, FlutterFlow will prompt you to either select an existing team or create a new